You might be spending good money on your wardrobe, designer brands, classic cuts, carefully chosen pieces, and yet your outfits still don't look as polished or as expensive as you hoped. Here's the truth no one tells you. It's not about how much you spend, it's about the small styling details that quietly cheapen your look, even when your clothes aren't cheap at all. And these mistakes, most women over 50 have no idea they're making them. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 subtle but powerful style mistakes that could be aging your appearance, flattening your confidence, and undermining your elegance without you even realizing it. But don't worry, each one comes with a simple fix you can start using today. So before you buy anything new or blame your closet, stay with me, because mistake number 6 is one even the most stylish women are still making. Error number 1, overly shiny or thin fabrics. You might think you're wearing something elegant, but if the fabric is too shiny or too thin, your entire outfit can end up looking cheap, even if it wasn't. I see this all the time, those clingy polyester blouses that stick to your skin, or the satin look tops that reflect light like plastic. They might feel fancy, but in reality, they highlight every bump, wrinkle, and bra line. And those stretchy pants that turn see-through when you bend over? Instant style downgrade. The fix? Stick to fabrics that drape, not cling. Matte finishes, natural fibers, and quality blends are your best friend. Think cotton, linen, ponte knit, or even a structured crepe. And here's a quick tip. If a fabric makes a swishing noise when you move, or feels slippery and flimsy in your hands, put it back on the rack. You don't need to spend a fortune. You just need the right materials. Error number 2, too many visible logos. Let's be real, wearing a logo doesn't make your outfit look expensive. In fact, it often does the opposite. Large, flashy logos across your chest, bag, or shoes. They turn your look into a walking billboard. Even if the brand is high-end, when the logo is oversized, it can feel loud, attention-seeking. And yes, cheap. This was trendy in the early 2000s, but today, elegance whispers. Here's the fix. Choose pieces with subtle branding or none at all. A sleek leather bag with no logo will always look more polished than one screaming for attention. And if you do wear a branded piece, let it be the only logo in your outfit. One standout, not 3 competing for attention. Because true style isn't about shouting a name, it's about showing confidence without saying a word. Error number 3, wearing the wrong undergarments. You could have the most beautiful outfit on, but if your undergarments aren't right, they will betray you. Visible panty lines, bra straps peeking out, bulges where there shouldn't be any. They instantly cheapen your entire look. And here's the thing, it's not about body shape, it's about foundation. Great style starts underneath. The fix? Invest in seamless underwear, a well-fitting bra, and if needed, gentle shapewear for smoother lines. Not to squeeze, but to support. And here's a little secret. Most women are still wearing the wrong bra size. Get professionally fitted. You'll be amazed at the difference in how your clothes fall. Because when your foundation is right, everything you wear on top looks 10 times better. Error number 4, wearing shoes that look worn out. You can tell a lot about someone by their shoes, and no matter how nice your outfit is, scuffed, scratched, or run-down shoes will drag the whole look down. I'm talking about faded faux leather that's peeling, dirty soles, scratches on the toe, or heels that have seen better days. They may be comfortable, but they're not doing you any favors. The fix? Take care of your shoes like you take care of your skin. Clean them regularly, polish leather, replace worn heels. And when it's time, let them go. You don't need dozens of pairs, just a few timeless, well-maintained options. A nude flat, a clean sneaker, a classic pump. Because clean, polished shoes say, I care about the details. Error number 5, overdoing accessories. Accessories can make or break a look, but when there's too much going on, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, scarves, all at once, it turns from stylish to chaotic. Instead of elevating your outfit, you look like you're trying too hard, especially with bold, colorful, oversized costume jewelry. It can read more party store than polished. Here's the rule, less is more. Choose one statement piece and let it shine. Wearing bold earrings? Skip the necklace. Got a layered bracelet look? Keep the rest simple. Think elegance, not excess. Because when accessories compete, you disappear. And the goal is for you to shine, not your jewelry box. Error number 6, wearing clothes that don't fit perfectly. This is the one mistake I see everywhere, even among women who dress well. Wearing clothes that are too tight or too loose is the fastest way to cheapen your entire appearance. Too tight. It pulls, it clings, it creates bulges. Too loose? It swallows your shape and looks sloppy. And let's be honest, at 50 plus, fit matters more than ever. The fix? Stop settling for almost right. Invest in tailoring. Even a $40 blazer can look like $1,000,000 if it fits you just right. Adjust hems, take in the waist, shorten a sleeve. Those little tweaks make a huge difference. Because well-fitted clothes don't just look better, they make you feel more confident the second you walk out the door. Error number 7, too much trend, not enough you. Trends can be fun, but when you chase every new thing, you lose your personal style. It's tempting, right? That flashy jacket, that trending pattern, that wild color. But put them all together, and suddenly your outfit feels confused and, yes, a little cheap, because elegance doesn't chase trends. It curates. The fix? Build your wardrobe around timeless staples, a great blazer, dark denim, classic blouses, tailored trousers. Then, and only then, they add one trend at a time. A bag, a shoe, a bold color. Let it be the spice, not the whole dish, because the most elegant women aren't trying to look trendy. They're just being themselves with intention. Error number 8, wearing aging prints and patterns. Florals, animal print, polka dots. Some prints can be elegant, but the wrong scale, color, or placement. Instant dated look. Large florals, especially in loud colors, often read more curtain fabric than chic. And those wild zebra or leopard prints, they can easily cross the line from bold to tacky. It's not about avoiding prints, it's about choosing the right ones. The fix? Stick to smaller scale prints in muted or neutral tones. Delicate florals, subtle pinstripes, soft geometric patterns. They add personality without overpowering your look. Want to play it safe? Go for solids and bring in texture instead. Linen, tweed, knits. They add visual interest without screaming for attention. Because nothing cheapens an outfit faster than a print that looks like it came from a 1998 discount rack. Error number 9, holding onto dated pieces just in case. We've all done it. You keep that old jacket, that ruffled top, that chunky necklace, thinking it might come back. Or, I used to love it, but some pieces aren't vintage. They're just outdated, and clinging to them is costing you more than closet space. It's costing your style. If your wardrobe feels stuck, it might be because it's filled with clothes from another version of you. The fix? Do a real audit. Pull out anything you haven't worn in 2 years. Be honest, does it still reflect who you are now? If not, let it go. And remember, clearing out the old makes the room for style that fits your life today, not the life you had a decade ago. Error number 10, neglecting grooming and polish. You can have the perfect outfit, but if your grooming is off, the whole look loses its power. I'm talking about chipped nail polish, frizzy, or unkempt hair foundation that doesn't match your neck, lipstick on your teeth, or makeup that's too heavy for your skin tone. It's these little things that quietly say, I stopped paying attention. But here's the good news. You don't need a full makeover. Just a few simple habits make all the difference. The fix? Keep your hair healthy and intentionally styled, even if it's casual trim, or clean up your nails regularly. Use light, natural makeup that enhances, not hides, your beauty. And always check your mirror before leaving the house. Because true elegance isn't just in the clothes, it's in the care you put into yourself. So, there you have it. 10 subtle style mistakes that might be making your outfit look cheap, even if your clothes aren't. And the best part? Every single one of them is fixable, starting today. Now, I'd love to know, which of these mistakes surprised you the most, or which one are you totally guilty of? No shame, we've all been there. Drop a comment below. Let's talk style, confidence, and leveling up after 50. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next one, where I'll show you how to build elegant outfits from just 10 core pieces. Because elegance isn't about age, it's about knowing who you are and dressing like it. See you next time, heart.